How to get Game Pass link in Roblox. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you how you can get Game Pass links in your Roblox. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step, what you'll need to do is just open up your Roblox, make sure you're logged in, then head over to the create option on the top, and you should be on the creators studio. After you're here, head over to the creations ops tab and click the experience or whichever experience that you want to get the Game Pass for. After you give it a click, scroll down on the left hand side, and under the monetization section you'll find passes. Tap on it, and here you'll find the passes for your for your experience. So copy the pass ID, this one right here, and now all you have to do is go to another tab, type in roblox.com, give it a slash, give it game-passes or pass, give another hyphen, and paste your ID. Then hit enter, and it'll take you to this one right here. And this is the link for your Game Pass. Thanks for watching. That is it for today. Stay tuned for more, and bye-bye.